Welcome to Adventures with Todd. Come along as we take a 2-hour boat tour out to the WITLESS Bay Ecological Reserve to see the largest puffin colony on the eastern seaboard. Along the way, we'll stop to see a couple of humpback whales wave their tails at us.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages. Welcome to beautiful Bay boats. You are sailing with the O'Briens. How are all you fine people doing on this lovely day? Can you make some noise for me? Oh, I like the sound of that. We got some life up here. That's a good sign. Welcome aboard. Down driving the boat today, we have Captain Michael. Everybody give a big stomp on the floor for Captain Michael. Excursion around the bay, she died below the brig. Jesus, we were coming back. We buried her in the ocean, wrapped up in a Union Jack. So now I am a single man in search of a pretty face. And the woman that says she'll have me, I'm off for Harbor Grace. Oh me, oh my. Welcome to Gull Island, ladies and gentlemen. And here at this end of the island, we are encountering our common bird first. If you're from the UK, you'll know this bird as a common guillemot. This is the black and white bird that we're seeing up on the ledge here now. a screecher. Your response to me will be, plays me old trumpet long, Mayor Big Jim. Rightful Torelli, Torelli. There is no one who can tell a lie like me. You may search until you tire, you won't find a bigger liar. I've been lying since the dawn of history. Well, I